Okay, so this is the fourth and final episode on the retrospective series of Variadic Warfare. This episode is on extraneous features. The miscellaneous features, such as music, archives, things like that. Obviously, we should first cover the archives. As I've mentioned over and over and over again throughout this series, the importance of the archives, as that would be one of your main rewards, I guess. Of course, it would kind of be a requirement, as, this is where the derivatives and things such as that would be. So, here are the archives. Everyone loves the archives. Basically, this is where you'd read the lore on the Mercadians. This is where you'd read the lore on your fellow soldiers, maybe their past, a little bit of that, maybe where they came from, maybe you read a little bit about other alien species. Throughout the game, I was expecting, I was kind of thinking there'd be this rebellion at the end of the game, so you can read some letters about the rebellion and things like that, but perhaps I have discredited that idea. I'm unsure of it. I have no examples to show. I didn't write anything yet. This was only an early concept. It is an interesting idea to play with. This will be put in a hidden file, I guess, until you got it. Things like that. I was thinking about using encryption to unlock it, but I was unsure of it. And personally, I think, just using an in-game password would be better, if even that. Now, what file this is written in, I was thinking HTML at the time. I could have written in a notepad just fine. HTML was initially supposed to be a huge part of this game, and this actually can be seen in how the music system works. HTML, CSS, I was planning on using it, representing some of the JavaScript experience I have, and things such as that. Although not really JavaScript, just HTML and CSS. Of course, such complexities and minutia represent themselves in this free-to-use script that I have not made, that is by our good friend Mpokemaka. This is essentially a batch script that plays the sound discreetly by using Internet Explorer. What it does is it takes the music that you want to play, it filters it through a JavaScript within a batch file that then sends it to Internet Explorer, which should be on all Windows computers up to 11, and then runs it appropriately. So, as seen, it does perform its duty. Now, you wouldn't expect music to be in a batch game, but hey, it is what it is. Music is great. What music was I gonna play? Well, I do have one. Of course, it was unfinished, so it's not worth laughing at. It's not worth laughing at, but, it is something. You can listen to the full 10 minutes, and of course I'll play it right now. I should give warning though, my music tends to cause anxiety in anxiety-prone people. So if you're not prepared for that, please just skip to, whatever future point in the video, or, do what you want. And that was supposed to be the introduction scene, if not also the battle scene. Well, that just about ends it. Thanks for watching. That should be the end of the series, and for a very interesting experience for me. If anyone wants to take this game, fork it, I have no problem with it. Just follow the license as shown. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I have socials. You can check out my Twitter, Discord. You can subscribe, of course. And there's also the various donation links in the description. Thank you for your time.